My goal is to show that the received view is flawed, that the majority of alleged conversational implicatures triggered by speaker signaling are actually triggered by speaker signaling additional meaning through conventions. So I'm going to argue that almost all the classic implicatures are actually completely conventionalized. And that part of why this was lost is because of a sort of narrow-mindedness on the part of philosophers in thinking about where the information could be coming from. You'll see what I mean by that. I'll concretize that for you quickly. Since the conventions are arbitrary, the added information cannot be calculated in the rest of sense. And this is the key thing that I think most linguists, for some reason, just don't get. That if the material, if the information that I'm extracting from your utterance is arbitrary, that is to say, could have been easily put in another way, then it's not calculable. That is to say, I'm not deriving it by principles of rationality. I'm deriving it by appeal to some arbitrary convention. Other alleged, so in other words, it's part of the language. So what's driving me to what I'm going to argue looking ahead is that those three inferences which I began with, which are classic paradigmatic examples of alleged conversational implicatures, are actually entirely linguistic. Okay. Other alleged CIs, this is the part of the paper I probably won't get to today, is that even though I'll show many of the classic examples of implicatures are not implicatures, there are going to be a lot left. And I have something very critical to say about them as well, why they're not calculable. Okay. So the upshot. The data and explanatory apparatus of the Gregson program require profound reinterpretation. Inferences that speakers invite audiences to draw from utterances based on intention recognition do not form a natural class. These are all the goodies that I want to deliver today. And to put it most starkly, there's no such thing as a conversational implicature. Okay? So conversational implicatures as they traditionally and as they are currently understood simply don't exist. There are no conversational implicatures. Which I know I've just read a recent paper by Luca. He might be disappointed in